Here's some Golem myth trivia. Subscribe. Where did the Golem legend originate? Is it A, ancient Rome, B, Norse mythology, C, ancient Greece, or D, Jewish folklore? The correct answer is D, Jewish folklore. What material is a golem typically made from? Is it A, clay or mud, B, plastic, C, iron, or D, wood? The correct answer is A, clay or mud. Who is credited with creating the golem in Prague? Is it A, Franz Kafka, B, Sigmund Freud, C, Rabbi Akiva, or D, Judah ben Bezalel? The correct answer is D, Judah ben Bezalel. What is the primary purpose of a golem? Is it A, to entertain crowds, B, to serve food, C, to do magic, or D, to protect the Jewish community? The correct answer is D, to protect the Jewish community. In which century did the golem legend become popular? Is it A, 18th century, B, 14th century, C, 17th century, or D, 16th century? The correct answer is D, 16th century. Who created a famous painting of the golem? Is it A, Henri Matisse, B, Pablo Picasso, C, Gustav Klimt, or D, Marc Chagall? The correct answer is D, Marc Chagall. Which traditional text contains the golem story? Is it A, Zohar, B, Talmud, C, Midrash Rabbah, or D, Sefer HaBahir? The correct answer is Sefer HaBahir. What is a common physical trait of the golem in illustrations? Is it A, features prominent wings, B, slim build, C, bulky form, or D, emits glowing light? The correct answer is C, bulky form. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.